Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to make hominy porridge. Now, hominy porridge is very popular among Caribbean people. It's my favorite porridge. Some people don't like to eat porridge and chew at the same time as swallow. My mother doesn't like to do it, but I'm going to show you how to get this easy porridge done. Right, so first you're going to need some coconut milk. You're going to need spices. My spice of choice is vanilla. I'm going to be using nutmeg, bay leaf, cinnamon leaf, and mixed spice. Now I'm also going to be using some cardamom, and for my slurry I'm going to be using coconut flour. Hominy corn tend to look like this, guys. No, it's I specifically did not put it to soak or anything because I wanted you to see it. No, it tend to be very hard. You normally have to soak it overnight or you pressure cook it. I am going to pressure cook it, okay? If you do choose to soak these and not pressure cook it, you can cook it for a minimum 2 hours or until the grains are soft, okay? So let's get started. What you want to do is to make sure you wash some of the starch from the hominy corn, right? And we're going to pressure cook this with maybe about 2 cups of water. Okay, so at this time we're going to add the corn to the pot to pressure it for 20 minutes. And you're going to also add the salt now, okay? 20 minutes has elapsed and you can see some of the grains are perfectly fine, and like this one here that is a little bit more vibrant in color. That one is not cooked, so we're going to give it 10 more minutes. Add like a cup of water more, and then we're going to get back to it, right? Okay guys, you can go ahead and add your cinnamon leaves and bay leaf. I've added 2 of each, okay? And your mixed spice. And also 3 cardamom seed. Okay, so now you can go right ahead and make your slurry. And remember I said this was a mixture of coconut flour and water. You can go ahead now guys and add the coconut milk. Alright guys, you want to go ahead and add your nutmeg. You see how amazing our porridge is coming along? It smells equally as how it looks. Nice. Now I'm using the coconut flour because it's the only flour I have on hand right now, okay? So but you can use regular all-purpose flour, wheat flour, or any thickener, cornstarch, any thickener you have. And at this time you can also go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And just leave it to cook, then we add the slurry, right? Guys, you can see how lovely this is coming along. Oh my gosh. So now we're going to sweeten it. Now you can use any sweetener of your choice. Now I'm using sugar. And you can sweeten to taste, okay? Lord, this just looks so nice. Nice breakfast recipe, but some people have porridge for dinner like myself, so it doesn't matter. Now guys, do remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and put on your post notification bell. You can also find us on Instagram at Jamrock.Vegan, Facebook Jamrock.Vegan. So we're gonna give this porridge around 15 minutes to fully develop the body that we need, and then I show you, okay? Oh my god guys, you can see how rich our porridge is, right? I do believe though that the coconut flour did add some richness to this porridge, right? So we're going to show you how awesome it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.